Okay, so I want to show you how you're going to make a little mini doorstop using 3D printing, Tinkercad, and a old Chromebook case. If you don't have a Chromebook case handy, um, you can find another piece of cloth that has just a little grip to it. It should work nicely. In any event, um, we're going to import this STL file here. So import. If you're on a Chromebook, just grab it from your downloads folder. And it's a nice little mini doorstop. All right, so it is, let's see, almost 80 millimeters long by 25 millimeters wide and almost 30 millimeters tall. All right, now what I'm going to do next, put my work plane on the side there, get my text, and with my text, I'm going to write, let's see, how about uh, stop. All right. Now I'm going to click on my letters, shrink them down a little bit. All right. And now we're going to align. And now I'm going to just oop, hang on. Let's flip the work plane back to the bottom. I'm going to push the stop directly in to the doorstop. And let's see. Command up 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 or control up to move it up in space. All right. And then let's mess with our bevel a little bit. You know, I like doing that. Add some segments. And then move it over a little bit so it all fits. Now we're going to make it a hole. Highlight both shapes. And once we group it together, we have the word stop cut into the doorstop. Very fancy stuff. You can, if you are feeling so inclined, throw the work plane on the back. Put a little scribble there. Again, I'm going to give you my super fancy smiley face. Ugh, that's real bad. All right, done. Squeeze that down. Highlight both. Align. Center. Set. Hang on, maybe we do that. Center. Center. My work plane's all in the wrong spot. Hang on, let's put it on the bottom. They'll be happier now. All right. Highlight both. Align. Center. Like that. Now I have a doorstop with the word stop and my crooked smiley face on this side. Again, with that, I can highlight a hole. Oh, I made a hole of the whole thing. That was kind of silly. Actually, you know what? Looking at that, I have the word stop almost cut entirely through my doorstop. That's not going to be a good situation. So let's ungroup that and ungroup that. And I want to, again, ungroup. I want to pull that real far out. So it's just a nice shallow cut into the doorstop so we don't hurt the structural integrity of the doorstop. And now we highlighted the whole thing, grouped it all together. It's a good looking doorstop, aside from my smiley face. All right, and then when you're done with this, will super glue a piece of Chromebook case to the bottom to give it a nice stopping power, and you're in good shape. That's how you make a doorstop using Tinkercad. Again, the file is included on the video.